Okay, here I go again. So I had to do it a second time. Still trying to get all the bugs worked out. So I missed last Tuesday. Some things came up. I'm trying to get these out ahead of time, and I appreciate those of you that have been encouraging in the comments and stuff. So I'm actually trying to get these both on Rumble and on YouTube. Primarily on Rumble, because some of the things I'm wanting to put on here are not going to be so good for YouTube. They just don't like everything that I would have to talk about or have to show on here. So I'm going to try to incentivize that with maybe some giveaways and stuff. I'm still trying to figure out how the whole thing works with doing a giveaway versus to be able to tell if somebody's subscribing, and then how to contact that person to say, like, if you subscribe to this or that. So for now, till I figure it out, I'm going to try to do a giveaway for this video, just something simple about what my subject's about. But you got to bear with me, because until I figure out how to find out who's doing what, I'm going to be giving out. Well, I'll talk about the give out afterwards. So a little recap: we did the paracord last time, and I've been thinking about many of the upcoming ones. So I decided to talk about P38s and P51s. I've asked a few people, like, do you know what a P38 is? Some people have mentioned, yeah, it's a gun or whatever. I think there's a P38 gun. I'm not sure. I don't know off the top of my head without looking it up. I'm talking about can openers. So there's a P38, and that's this right here. And you can see this flips open. I'm backwards on the camera, so it's a P38. There's a P51. So the difference is this is a P51, P38. See the 51 is a little bit bigger. So the history of these, from what I've looked up. Now I could be wrong, so I'm more than happy to admit if I get anything wrong. This is just to the best of my knowledge. The P38 came out for World War II. It was 1942, right? Because these came out in 1942. And then in 1960 they came out with a P51. There was a little bit more leverage on these. So the mounting hole is a little bit different, though. So this one has the mounting hole at the back. You put a key ring or whatever in that. This one has it up in the front. So looking up the history a little bit, it just makes it. Actually, the P38 stands for how many lever actions this takes to open a can. Apparently, it was 38 at the time. I don't know if that means this one's 51. It's a bigger can opener, so you'd think it'd take less. That's just what it says, anyways, on what I'm looking up. The P38 was developed by Chicago's Subsistence Research Lab in 1942 in only 30 days. It was designed to open sea rations during World War II. The P stand for puncture, and 38 stand for the number of cuts it took to open around the can. The hole is actually used to dip it in boiling water to sterilize it after use. So that's kind of cool, but you can also just use it for a keyring. So anyways, that's what these are for. So I've got 5 of each to give away. I'm kind of limited to just the people I know. I don't really expect a lot of people that don't know me to actually find these videos or subscribe or anything, because I've got like 2 whole videos that are going to be out now. If somebody that I don't know ends up signing up or subscribing, yeah, I'm more than happy to send one to you, like through the easy mail, if that's possible. But if I know you, and so we'll say if you subscribe, like, you gotta like it. Oh, that's Phoebe screaming in the back. Phoebe. Anyways, on Facebook, not on Facebook, on YouTube, the first 5 people that subscribe and share and like will get a P38. If you go to Rumble, same thing. You got their version of subscribing, sharing, and liking, and you'll get a P51. So you could potentially get both. So if I see them in both, I'll try to give you both of them. So these actually, I'm going to give the double set to Julie, because she's the first one that commented on my Facebook, and it was very motivating. She like seemed like she really got a lot out of it, and it really kind of hyped me up. So these two are for her. I haven't decided if I'm gonna laser engrave them yet or not, because I can do that. But yeah. So when I see you at church or wherever, I got P38s because I know you use them. You're like a prepared type of person. So, and I know that you provide for your family. So if you need to open the cans with nothing, no electricity, I got you. They got the hand crank things. But what if you're in the car and you need to open one in the car? I'll do a demo on how to open it and everything. So I'm gonna break away to opening the can after this video, so I'll splice it all in, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to use a really nasty old can of refried beans. I don't even know why I bought these, but yeah, this is what we'll open. Alright, so I think I'm going to use the P51 to do this. Might give me a little more leverage. Let's see how this goes. So you it's got this little notch in the side right here. Stick that right in there. You see that? You just, ugh. Okay, it's not easy. I haven't done this in a long time. It's not exactly the easiest way to do it, but once you get the hang of it. So you just go around the can. And I'm not going to make you guys sit through a whole opening of a can, but you get the idea. Like, if I wasn't trying to watch the video, it'd probably actually work pretty good, and it's not requiring a lot of effort. Let's actually try it with the P38 and see how much leverage I get on that. So here's the P38. Let's see here. I'm going to go this way. That's, I think, why it was happening. I was going the wrong way. Yeah, this one isn't bad either. It's just, this one actually gives you more of a lip, I think, on the device itself. I don't know. They both got their weaknesses. But, I mean, you'll get the can open the way it's supposed to be instead of trying to pound it open with a rock or something. So, you're stuck trying to get home in an emergency situation. Everything's closed. All you can access is some canned food, and your vehicle won't start. Like, if it's all you got, you need to be able to open it. So you get the idea. So that's what we got for now. I'll let you guys know if anything else comes up, and I appreciate any support you guys give me on this, and hopefully it does somebody some good. So appreciate it. See you later.